Hey guys, it's Mitch at the Jeweler's Bench. I just wanted to show you the behind the scenes look on how we made this custom engagement ring. Plus, we're going to check out the GEM3 from Nova3D. Nova3D reached out and asked if I would test out one of their printers. I really like the looks of it. It printed perfect right out of the box. It's just a little slower than my other printer, but it's also 1/5 of the price. Definitely a great option for the money. I've been using XWAX from BlueCast and I'm really impressed with it. By far the best resin I've used so far. It's been a game changer for the shop. I'll drop a link to it below. One of the cooler functions is the integrated heater. You just set the temp and walk away. I will drop a link to this printer below if you want to check it out. We burned out this model overnight to create a negative mold within the plaster. Now we can just heat up our white gold and pour it in. it's time to set some diamonds and make this thing shiny. Here's the final product, another masterpiece leaving the shop. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Nova3D for hooking us up with this 3D printer. We appreciate it.